This video will show you how to replace the deck belt on this Cub Cadet riding mower. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Place your mower on a flat, level surface. Turn the engine off and make sure it is cool. Remove the ignition key. Disconnect the spark plug ignition wires. Be sure the PTO button is disengaged. Engage the parking brake. Put the deck height lever in its lowest position. Release the idler pulley tension lever, then remove the PTO belt from the deck. Pull the J-hooks from the right side, then the left side to release the deck from the hanger brackets. Raise the deck to its highest position. Slide the deck forward and remove the front lift rod. Turn the front wheels to the right and then the left while maneuvering the cutting deck out from below the right side of the mower. Remove the belt covers from the outer pulleys. Release the tension on the idler deck arm, then remove the belt from the right idler pulley. Loosen the left fixed idler pulley. Remove the deck belt. Route the new deck belt. Reattach the spindle belt covers. Reassemble by following the previous directions in reverse order. Slide the deck back under the mower from the right side. Reattach the front lift rod. Lower the deck to its lowest position. Replace the J-hooks on the right and left sides to attach the deck to the hanger brackets. Release the idler pulley tension lever and reattach the PTO belt. Attach the spark plug ignition wires.